Imagine buying your dream car, a rare classic or a stunning collector, without ever stepping foot in an auction house. That's the power of online car auctions. In this video, we'll break down how online car auctions work, from browsing listings and placing bids to winning the car and completing the sale. Online car auctions are virtual marketplaces where buyers and sellers connect from anywhere in the world. These platforms make it easy to buy and sell vehicles without physical auction attendance. Just like a traditional auction, you place bids and compete for a car under a time limit, but here, everything happens on your phone or computer. First, you need an account. Most platforms ask for basic information: a valid email, a payment method like a credit card, and once you've registered, you can browse live and upcoming auctions, view detailed listings, and start exploring cars up for sale. Each car listing includes photos, vehicle details, and a description. Some platforms also let you ask questions or comment directly on the listing. This is a useful way to learn more from the seller or other enthusiasts. Do your research, study the photos, read comments, and even request additional images to thoroughly understand the car's condition before bidding. Bidding is the heart of an online auction. When you find a car you love, you place your bid and then the auction begins. Many online auctions use a reserve price, which is the minimum the seller will accept. If the bidding doesn't reach that amount, the car might not sell. No reserve auctions don't have minimums, so the highest bidder wins, period. If your bid holds until the auction closes, congratulations, you've won. Online platforms will typically charge a buyer's premium, a small fee based on the final sale price to the credit card you registered with. On some sites, you'll pay to the seller directly through a bank transfer or other method. You'll then receive instructions to complete payment, transfer ownership, and arrange shipping or pickup. Bid with a plan. Set a top price in your mind before you start so you don't get swept up in the moment. Pay attention to bid increments. The minimum amount your bid must increase, and don't wait until the last second. Many platforms also protect against bid sniping, resetting the clock if someone bids in the final moments to give everyone a fair chance. Sellers can also take advantage of online auctions, which often reach a wider audience than traditional listings. To sell, owners submit basic details and photos, and a market specialist may help craft the listing and set a reserve price. The platform then handles the auction, exposing the cars to buyers around the world. One unique aspect of online car auctions is the community. Buyers can ask questions and share insights right on the listing, helping everyone make better decisions. It's not just buying and selling, it's connecting with fellow enthusiasts and learning more about the cars you love. Online auctions offer you flexibility. You can bid from anywhere, anytime. They bring more visibility to sellers and more choices to buyers without the need to travel. For rare and collectible cars, this can mean better prices and more competition than traditional selling methods. Final thoughts. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a first-time bidder, online car auctions open a world of automotive opportunity. Do your homework, bid smart, and you might just drive away with your next great car, all from the comfort of your home. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new about online car auctions, drop a comment below and share your own auction experience. Be sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of automotive buying, selling, and culture.